Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your VPN Unlimited account. Enter the same credentials you used to subscribe. Download and install the official app for your device because the app configures DNS and kills switch settings automatically. Once done, open the app and accept necessary permissions. This lets the VPN create a secure tunnel. Make sure no other VPN or proxy runs concurrently, as that can cause conflicts and routing errors, so stop other services before you connect. Now choose a server. Pick nearby for speed or a specific country for content access. Latency differences matter, so try a few. Next, open settings and enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection. These preserve privacy if the tunnel drops. If you need only some apps to use the VPN, configure split tunneling. Also select the protocol. WireGuard gives faster throughput, while OpenVPN trades a bit of speed for broader compatibility. Test with a speed check and IP lookup to confirm. Tap Connect and watch for the secure tunnel indicator. A stable connection shows encryption is active. Verify your new IP and that DNS requests route through the VPN because that confirms privacy protection. If streaming, check the service you need to access. Once done, you can toggle location or use favorites for future quick connections. If something goes wrong, first switch protocol or server, then disconnect and reconnect. If problems persist, restart the device and reinstall the app. That usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.